We'll guide you through how to convert WPS link into PDF. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a simple way to convert WPS files into PDFs using online features. To begin, open Windows on your laptop and wait until the system is fully loaded. Next, open File Explorer from the taskbar or Start menu to access your files. Then, locate and select the WPS file you created earlier so it is highlighted. After selecting the file, right-click on it to open a context menu with additional options. From this menu, choose the Share With option to continue the process. Then, select Online Collaboration via WPS to enable sharing through the WPS platform. Once this is done, copy the generated WPS file link so you can access it later. Next, type WPS Office into the Windows menu search bar and click to open the application. After WPS Office launches, paste the copied WPS file link into the WPS search bar to load the document. When the file appears, go to the File Operations option in the upper left corner of the interface. Click on it, then choose Export as from the available options to begin conversion. After that, select Export as PDF to set the desired output format for your document. Next, click the Export button located in the lower right corner to proceed. Then, choose the option labeled Export as Online PDF to finalize the process using WPS Online Services. Finally, click Open File to view the exported PDF and confirm that the document has been converted successfully. Review the content carefully to ensure all text and formatting appear correct and complete. If necessary, repeat the steps to adjust settings or improve the final output for better results and smoother sharing experience across different devices and platforms without compatibility issues or data loss.